Are you tired of juggling different Node.js versions for your projects? Don't worry, I've got the solution. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install and set up NVM, Node Version Manager, on your Windows operating system so you can switch between Node.js versions effortlessly. No more headaches, no more conflicts, just smooth sailing. Let's dive in. First off, what is NVM and why should you care? Well, NVM stands for Node Version Manager, and it's a tool that allows you to manage multiple versions of Node.js on your system. This is super helpful when you are working on different projects that require different versions of Node.js. Trust me, it's a game changer. With NVM, you can install, switch, and manage Node.js versions in seconds. No more uninstalling and reinstalling every time. Sounds good, right? Let's get you set up. Alright, first things first, let's get NVM installed. The first thing you need to do is head over to the official NVM repository for Windows. Just Google NVM Windows GitHub and it will be the first link you see. Scroll down to the releases section and download the latest version of NVM for Windows as a zip file. Once the download is complete, extract the file and run the installer. It's a typical setup, so just follow the prompt, choose your install location, and you're ready to go. After installation, open a command prompt or PowerShell window and type NVM. If you see a list of available commands, then congratulations, NVM is installed successfully. Now that NVM is installed, let's install a version of Node.js. Now this is where the magic happens. Type NVM list available in your terminal. This will show you all the available versions of Node.js that you can install. Pick a version. Let's say you want to install 16. Just type nvm install 16 and press enter. NVM will download and install that version for you. Once it's installed, you can switch to it by typing nvm use 16. Now your system is using Node.js version 16. And that's it guys. You can repeat this process for any version you need and switch between them as you work on different projects. You've now got NVM installed. Plus, you know how to install and switch between Node.js versions effortlessly. This tool is going to save you tons of time, especially if you are working on multiple projects and need different setups. Okay guys, this will be it for this video. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. And comment what you think about the video, or any video you want me to do next, or anything you want me to improve on, and I'll get right on that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one and stay blessed.